Colin Doherty here with Motorsport. We got Alan Smith here today. He's in charge of this client customer-driven car here at Rolex Reunion here at Laguna, Seca.
Yep.
So what do you think?
I think it's amazing. This is a great car, 996, ran in 24 hours at Daytona. Beautiful car.
2005, right?
2005.
And then did Watkins Glen later that year.
Yep.
And that was it.
That was
Very
it.
low hours.
And it is probably one of the cleanest ones I've seen in terms of this generation. Just
It
a
was
beautiful
sponsored
car.
by Hazardous Sports at that time. Close relationship with the Hazardous Sports team. Not the factory car, but the guy had a relationship with him. So Team Hazardous ended up, it was like a sponsorship trade-off somehow. What do you do when you come in the morning? You take a look under the hood and check this thing out, right?
Yep, so we come in the morning, we blast everything open, usually get the car up on air jacks.
Wow, look at this thing. So clean and nice.
We kind of go over, nut and bolt the whole car, make sure it's ready for the day, fueled up, all the electronics are working, and just everything is ready to go, and it's going to be 100% out on track.
So you're checking things like JRZ shock pressures, brake fluid level, got the ABS pump there, power steering pump down here. We got the battery, fuel pumps, air jack, fuel rollover valve, right? Make sure all the fuel's gonna stay in the fuel cell, right?
Yep, so we check up here, we check for any leaks on anything, make sure we don't have any kind of leaks happening, because we don't want to put any fluid down on track, and we want the car to run exactly how it's supposed to.
Cool. All right, so we always pin these when we close them, just to make sure no mistakes happen.
Coming around to the inside, one of the normal checks, always make sure all our belts are good, everything's still tight, seat's not loose, make sure everything's in place, and then we'll hop in. After we do the rear end check in the engine, and then we'll warm it up, get a heat cycle in it, have it ready for the session, and get it out there.
Look at all these names on here. All these famous names, right? Nick Longy, Lonnie Pechnick, Thornton, Dumoulin. These were the drivers in the 2005 24-hour Daytona race,
Which
right?
is surprising, yes, because it's a rather big driver's list for a 24-hour race. Normally you have 2 to 3 usually.
Yeah.
And they had 5 drivers on it, which is kind of a feat for itself.
Cool.
Coming to the rear, we'll unpin this.
What are we seeing here?
So coming back here, we'll just check for any of our main lines. So fuel lines, we'll make sure nothing's leaking over there. Check our water level after we warm the car up, and then just look around for any oil leaks, just anything that could leak and cause an issue, and make sure the motor's bone dry and ready to go.
So you're using like a checklist to keep track of all this stuff so you don't miss any little details, right?
Yep.
Got the transponder in, the video card in the car, fluid level checks, and everyone on your team just goes around and kind of signs off in the area they're responsible for.
Yep. So when everyone goes around to their car that they're assigned, everyone has a list, and it will have every little thing we need to check over before we say this car is good to go out on track. Everyone checks their stuff off and double checks. We'll have someone else, like I might go behind them, double check what they did, make sure it's good to go, give the A-OK, and we'll send them back out on track.
How long does it kind of take, the process? Like if there's run sessions at noon, when do you get here in the morning?
So if we're running at noon, we typically like to come in about 6:30 in the morning, give us plenty of time to kind of do a methodical look over. We really want to spend time with the cars and make sure like everything's been looked at, and kind of not willy-nilly send cars out.
I got
Just
you.
want it to be perfect.
So from an East Coaster, Mid-Atlantic mostly, I mean, you're here in the state of California. What do you notice out here? Anything jump out at you?
A lot, honestly. It's very different out here.
Yeah.
Weather's the greatest thing out here. Love it. But I don't know. It's pretty neat being out here.
That's great. I think it's like tepid, 70 degrees.
Yeah.
Sun's high, keeps you warm during the day, but it doesn't overheat you.
It's kind of like our perfect East Coast fall weather. It's like that sweet spot,
Yeah. We got your driver going out later this afternoon.
Yep, going out at 3 o'clock.
Cool. And car's all ready to go.
Car's ready and prepped and ready to go.
What do you think he's going to do?
I think it's going to do great.
Yeah, great. Thanks a lot, Alan.
Mhm.
Thanks for coming out.